loud ones. Happy Wednesday. Meteorologist Erin Doty reporting from the Hub Farm, ready to give you this Wednesday's weather report. So today is October 21st. It is 9 a.m. and like every other weather report, it is Wednesday. And we are still in that fall season here. This is kind of an eerie October day. I'm sure that some of you, when you woke up, you noticed the fog around you. We're going to talk about that in a little bit, but let's check out the air temperature. Right now, it's about 64 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's fill that in on our thermometer here. Now you can see that 64 degrees Fahrenheit is a little under 20 degrees Celsius. All right, let's go into our precipitation. Let's check our rain gauge, see if it rained overnight. Might be a little hard to see with the condensation that's inside our rain gauge, but you can see that there is no rain. If I dump it out, no rain overnight. So we can say 0 inches. So we have nothing to draw into our rain gauge. Now today I'm wearing pants, but it's supposed to get up to about 80 degrees Fahrenheit. So I brought some shorts along with me in case I need to do some farm work in the heat. So I've got pants, but I brought shorts just in case it gets too hot. I'm wearing an outer layer and a short sleeve shirt. So a sweatshirt and a short sleeve shirt. I'm also wearing socks and waterproof boots, because that fog kind of creates a little bit of a dew on the ground and it gets kind of wet. So I want my feet to stay dry, so I wore my waterproof boots. Now let's check out wind speed. Our wind speed is very, very mild or calm right now. You can see that none of the trees are blowing, but there is a light little breeze. Not enough to get the trees blowing, but enough to feel it. So it's 1 mile per hour, we'll say, in the northwest direction. Now we're going to talk about clouds. Now right now the whole sky looks gray, and that's because this morning we had something called radiation fog. Now radiation fog forms overnight because during the day the sun heats up the ground, but then at night that heat is transferred into the surrounding air as the earth cools off. As that transfer happens in a humid environment like North Carolina, that heat transfers to water vapor. That's what you feel when you walk through fog. It's like walking through a cloud and it's a little bit wet. Now, radiation fog, it's called radiation fog because the heat is moving out of the ground or transferring or radiating from the ground. Some people also call it ground fog because it forms right at ground level where you and I walk. Now let's look at tomorrow's forecast. If we look at the weather around us and the skies around us, there are no real storms near us. There are some storms off the coast of Florida, but nothing close by that's going to come to us. So we can expect similar temperatures with lows in the high 50s and a high of about 80. This is all forecasted because we looked at the weather patterns around us and didn't see much rain. And we won't expect much change if there's no storm fronts coming in around us from anywhere else. So that's it for today's weather report. I'm meteorologist Erin Doty. This is Miss Brigida the Chicken. Want to say anything to your followers? You're great, Brigida. Awesome. This is Erin Doty reminding you to stay wild and get outside. Thanks for tuning in to HFTV. Stay tuned next week for more from the farm.